How to set up a booklet in Publisher. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Publisher. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Page Design, which is on top, beside Insert and Mailings. In here, simply click on Page Setup. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Layout type, you will find all these options. Simply click on Booklet, which is the second option. Booklet is below 1 page per sheet and above email. Simply click on OK and you're good to go. As you can see, Booklet is available as second or third slide. And that's how you set up a booklet in Publisher. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.